Starting around the 17th of May 2023, HEX basically is exchanging at 2 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 1.61% in absolute most recent 60 minutes. Or so they truly thought. HEX generally has an all-out market cap of $4,948,050,413 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $14,165,971, which explicitly is genuinely critical. This generally makes HEX fundamentally positioning at 203 in the cryptographic money market, which certainly is genuinely critical. In the event that you certainly are a crypto financial backer and considering what explicitly is the HEX cost expectation end of 2023. What will HEX commonly be somewhat worth in 2023 in a by and large significant manner? Is HEX a kind of wise speculation or genuinely worth purchasing in 2023 in an especially significant manner? Will HEX cost, all things considered, outperform its untouched high, which explicitly is genuinely huge? These really are our HEX cost expectations for HEX's future, which fundamentally is very huge. HEX value expectation 2023 as per the HEX estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the HEX cost in a real sense is supposed to explicitly cross a normal value level of 3 cents. The normal by and large least value worth of HEX toward the finish of the especially current year ought to in a real sense be 3 cents, or so they generally thought. Besides, HEX can basically arrive at an in every practical sense greatest value level of 3 cents, or so they in every practical sense thought. HEX value estimate May 2023. For May 2023, the cost of HEX most certainly is basically anticipated to arrive at an especially normal cost of 2 cents, while the coin could exchange between a really limit of 3 cents and a sort of least of 2 cents in an especially significant manner. HEX value figure June 2023. With respect to June 2023, HEX in every practical sense is supposed to fundamentally arrive at a genuinely least value worth of 2 cents in a for the most part significant manner. The HEX cost could arrive at a genuinely most extreme cost of 3 cents with the genuinely normal cost around 3 cents, exhibiting how starting around the 17th of May 2023 HEX is exchanging at 2 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 1.61% in especially most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious manner. HEX value figure July 2023. In July 2023, the kind of most extreme cost for HEX could by and large stretch around 3 cents amazingly. Moreover, the minimum cost of HEX in July 2023 especially is 3 cents with an essentially normal cost of 3 cents, or so they truly thought. HEX value estimate August 2023. The HEX cost for August 2023 may for the most part arrive at a genuinely least worth of 3 cents, while the especially greatest determined cost truly is around 3 cents in an unobtrusive manner. The very normal cost for HEX in a real sense is somewhat anticipated to reach 3 cents in August 2023, which generally is very critical. HEX value estimate September 2023. With respect to September 2023, HEX, all things considered, is supposed to truly arrive at a truly least value worth of 3 cents in an unpretentious manner. The HEX cost could in every way that really matters arrive at an extremely greatest cost of 3 cents with the truly normal cost around 3 cents, which in a real sense is very huge. HEX value estimate October 2023. In October 2023, the genuinely most extreme cost for HEX could stretch around 3 cents, which in a real sense shows that this fundamentally makes HEX genuinely positioning at 203 in the cryptographic money market in an exceptionally large manner. Besides, the minimum cost of HEX in October 2023 is 3 cents with a sort of typical cost of 3 cents. Certainly further appearance how HEX certainly has an exceptionally complete market cap of $4,948,050,413 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $14,165,971, or so they especially thought. HEX value expectation November 2023. HEX cost by and large is supposed to fundamentally reach between 3 cents to 3 cents in November 2023, while the truly normal cost of HEX for the November generally remains around 3 cents. HEX value gauge December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of HEX in every practical sense is estimated to explicitly be at around a kind of least worth of 3 cents. So HEX value figure October 2023. In October 2023, the essentially greatest cost for HEX could basically stretch around 3 cents, which especially shows that this truly makes HEX positioning at 203 in the cryptographic money market, which really is very huge. The HEX value worth can explicitly arrive at an extremely limit of 3 cents with the typical exchanging worth of 3 cents in USD in an unpretentious way. HEX kind of past value examination in the especially beyond 24 hours. The crypto truly has been especially diminished by 10.47% in its genuinely current worth, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Assuming we for the most part analyze the sort of current market cap of the HEX with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap basically is additionally down, which fundamentally is very critical. HEX basically is confronting an extremely difficult time jumping aboard with pretty other crypto coins, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. The HEX explicitly is down to nearly 51.91% over the most recent 7 days, showing the way that the HEX cost could basically arrive at a really greatest cost of 3 cents with the typical cost around 3 cents, which basically is genuinely critical. The coin sort of is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for commonly past sort of couple of days. The coin could in a real sense have sort areas of strength for of however. We don't for the most part feel that it would a beneficial resource and kind of transient in a genuinely significant manner. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of HEX for the most part diminished by 63.178%, killing and astounding in every way that really matters. Normal amount of 4 cents from its sort of current worth in a very enormous manner. This unexpected down generally implies that the coin in every practical sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can commonly be a fundamentally decent most certainly purchase an open door for truly speedy speculation, exhibiting how HEX value gauge September 2023. With respect to September 2023, HEX in every way that really matters is supposed to by and large arrive at any rate value worth of 3 cents in an unobtrusive manner. The 90 days cost change truly is around 11.47% and the cost course from in every practical sense, least by and large normal cost of 2 cents to especially greatest especially normal cost of 2 cents in the kind of beyond 90 days. Or so they sort of thought. In sort of most recent 4 months HEX for the most part has shown a developing pattern in a genuinely large manner. Consequently, we sort of think that comparable pieces of the market really were very famous at that period in an unpretentious manner, as per the kind of the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of HEX sort of is expanded from 4 months in a fundamentally enormous manner. The exchanging volume is an imperative job in its cost, which certainly shows that HEX value conjecture September 2023 with respect to September 2023. HEX sort of is supposed to generally arrive at in every practical sense, least value worth of 3 cents in a fundamentally significant manner. The coin for the most part is up by 35.62% with the truly greatest in every practical sense. Normal cost of the coin truly was around 2 cents and the base genuinely normal cost of explicitly was around 2 cents and truly beyond 4 months, which certainly is genuinely huge. HEX value figure 2023 FAQs what will in every way that really matters be HEX exceptionally worth in 2023 in an essentially significant manner. The HEX cost essentially is guanched to especially arrive at a fundamentally greatest degree of 3 cents with pretty least cost of 3 cents toward the finish of 2023, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. HEXs have a future, or so they sort of thought. As far as cost, HEX by and large has a remarkable kind of potential to fundamentally arrive at new levels, showing how inside the absolute most recent 1 month, the cost of HEX essentially diminished by 63.178%. Killing an astounding essentially normal amount of 4 cents